Understanding the bootloader on an LG phone. The bootloader is a secure program on your LG phone that verifies if the operating system that is being booted is secure and allowed or not. By default, bootloaders come locked to only allow booting of official LG software. This is to ensure that your device is running software meant for it and to ensure it is secure. Unlocking your bootloader can only be done on certain models and in certain markets. Unlocking the bootloader should only be done by those with the knowledge to do so, generally the application developers. Unlocking the bootloader will also void the phone warranty, as it allows the phone to run software and programs that haven't been tested or approved by LG and can potentially lead to issues including hardware failure. LG supports unlocking the bootloader of certain LG phones and in certain markets. To see if your phone is eligible and for instructions on how to unlock your bootloader if your phone is eligible, please see the link in the description. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.